Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for your Weber grills. The best aluminum drip pans on the market. These Weber grills compatible drip pans from DOBI are designed for hassle-free grease management and versatile cooking. Let's get into why these are essential for every grilling enthusiast.
These drip pans are crafted from sturdy aluminum, offering a perfect fit for Weber's most popular grills like the Q-Series, Spirit gas grills, and more.
They're designed to fit snugly into your grill's grease trays, ensuring efficient grease collection and easy cleanup. Whether you're grilling steaks, veggies, or even desserts, these pans not only manage grease but also expand your culinary possibilities. First off, these pans are eco-friendly, made entirely from recyclable aluminum. This means you can grill with peace of mind, knowing you're minimizing your environmental impact.
They're also incredibly convenient with their bulk packaging, giving you 30 pans per pack.
No more last-minute runs to the store mid-barbecue.
One of the standout features is how these pans keep your grill clean effortlessly. By trapping grease and drippings, they prevent buildup that can be a pain to scrub off later. This not only extends the life of your grill but also ensures every cookout is a breeze to clean up after. Beyond grease management, these pans double as cooking vessels. You can use them to cook side dishes like potatoes or corn on the cob right alongside your main course. It's a practical way to make the most of your grill space while keeping flavors distinct and cleanup minimal. To sum it up, if you're looking to upgrade your grilling experience with a simple yet effective solution, for grease management and versatile cooking, these Weber grills compatible drip pans are a clear winner. They're durable, eco-friendly, and designed to make your life easier every time you fire up the grill. Check out the link in the description below to get yours and elevate your grilling game today.